Hey there, superstars! Warrior and its environs, Delta State at large. I come bearing great news. You know this. My name is Ada Gold, and I am blessed and honored to invite you to Tehila Uncommon Praise. This is volume 5. It's our media. In fact, I don't even want to call it media praise. It's media Thanksgiving, fam. Mid-year Thanksgiving. We are going to be lifting up the name of the Lord and just thanking Him for the year thus far. It's going to be a powerful experience. It's on the 5th of July happening at Rainbow Christian Assembly along Airport Road, and I cannot wait to see you. Time is 2 p.m. Make out time to attend and let us bring the power and the Spirit of God down like never before. And of course, take home your blessings, miracles, and breakthroughs. Can't wait to see you. Bye.
I'm going to read God. You are the Jehovah overdue. My name is Solo Urete, aka Jehovah Overdue. Tehila, volume 5. The uncommon praise is coming to Warri at Rainbow Christian Assembly. It's going to be a wonderful program. I'm inviting you from Asaba, Ugele, Ole, Isoko in Delta State. Come, let us praise God. I hear say Warri no dey carry last. I know. They come. Make una gather together. Come with your hanky. We are going to dance and miracle will happen. Don't miss that day. I'm inviting you. Join us. Let's praise God. Uncommon praise. Tehila, volume 5 with my brother Mega. God bless you.
Hello, God's people. My name is Peter Sinokopi, and guess what? I'm specially inviting you to Tehila Volume 5, live at the RCA Church, Champions Cathedral, Warri, on the 5th of July. The time is 2 p.m. I'll be ministering alongside God's choicest servants for this purpose, and I want you to know that God is readily available for you.
Oil on your head, yeah. Oil on your head. What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Ibe, ministering to God's children. And I want to specially invite you to Tehila Uncommon Praise with Mega, happening on the 5th of July in Warri, Rainbow Christian Assembly. If you are around the neighborhood, tell your friends to tell your friends. It's going to be an amazing time in the presence of God. Remember, there's oil on your head, there's increase in your hands, and there's speed on your feet. See you there 5th of July.
Warri, are you ready? I will be live at the Tehila Uncommon Praise Volume 5 with the Mega and other anointed ministers of God. Sunday, July 5th at the Rainbow Christian Assembly. You don't want to miss this for nothing. Spread this news and come, let's praise God together. Sensational? I'm coming with my team. Make sure you are there. We don't want to look for you. Jesus is Lord. Spread this news like wildfire so that when God's praise come in, His glory will be seen in your face. God bless you.